Let's make the best Lebanese fruit cocktail. Start by adding milk, cornstarch, semolina, and sugar. Whisk well until well combined. Transfer the pot and cook the milk mixture over medium heat. Whisk constantly until thickens and bubble. Now it's time to add flavors. I did rose water. Transfer the mixture to a container and cover with a plastic wrap. Refrigerate until cold. This is the base of our ashta. Now we're gonna add ricotta cheese, drizzle of honey, stir well and place it again in the fridge. Now let's make the fruit smoothie. Start by adding strawberries to a blender, sugar and blend well. Mangoes and sugar and blend well. To a cup, add first layer strawberry smoothie, orange juice and fruits. The mango smoothie layer, orange juice and some extra fruits. Scoop the ashta, sprinkle with some nuts, lots of honey and enjoy.